Next topic is what changed after October. So what actually happened after the October revolution? The Bolshevik were totally opposed to private property. So the Bolshevik group, they totally opposed to the person who have their own property. Most industry and banks were nationalized in November 1917. So most of the industries in the Europe was nationalized. That means it come under the government in the month of November in the year 1917. This meant that the government took over ownership and management. So nationalized means the government will look after the bank personally. Land was declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. So now the situation was quite opposite. The land was declared a social property, that means anybody can have or purchase the land, and now the peasants have got the authority to capture the land of the noble people. That means the different types of officers. In cities, Bolshevik enforced the partition of large houses according to family requirements. So in the cities, Bolshevik group forced the partition of large houses. That means to divide the houses according to the family requirement. They banned the use of the old title of aristocracy. So even the different types of noblemen who were given the titles in the monarchy system, their old title was snatched away from them. To assert the change, new uniforms were designed for the army and officials, and following a clothing competition organized in 1918 when the Soviet hat, that is Budyunovka, was chosen. So even the uniform of the army and different types of officers were changed, and how they have selected the uniform by organizing a clothing competition organized in 1918, and finally they choose the Soviet hat, which is known as Budyunovka was chosen. The Bolshevik party was renamed the Russian Communist Party Bolshevik. So the Bolshevik party was again renamed and it was known as the Russian Communist Party. In November 1917, the Bolshevik conducted the election of the Constituent Assembly, but they failed to gain majority support. So in the month of November 1917, the Bolshevik party, they have conducted the election so that they can make the Constituent Assembly a government body, but they failed to gain support from the people. In January 1918, the assembly rejected Bolshevik measures and Lenin dismissed the assembly. So as the Bolshevik people, they do not get the support from the people, so in the January 1918 the assembly was rejected because people does not support the Bolshevik leader, and Lenin, he dismissed the assembly. He thought the All Russian Congress of Soviet was more democratic than an assembly elected is uncertain condition. So according to Lenin, he thought that all the Russian Congress of Soviet was more kind of, you can say, democratic. That means whatever they are saying, they wanted to do, but when the time comes, they just back off. So hence they said that this is not the right condition. In March 1918, despite opposition by their political allies, the Bolshevik made peace with Germany at Brest-Litovsk. So despite their you can say the majority people do not support the Bolshevik, they again meet you can say political allies, the Bolshevik, that means they again meet the you can say peaceful movement, so that they can have a, you can say, connection with the Germany, Brest-Litovsk. In the years that followed, the Bolshevik became the only one party to participate in the section to the All Russian Congress of Soviet, which became the parliament of the country. So as there was no other, you can say, competition against the Bolshevik party, so only one party was there. So slowly and gradually, finally the Bolshevik party, that is the all Russian Congress of Soviet, was you can say they got the chance to become the parliament of the country because there was no other opposition party. Russia became a one party state, so Russia was considered as a one party state, that means the only the Bolshevik party. Trade union was kept under party control. Trade union means the tax, whatever the tax will be you can say implemented in the country, it will be under the you can say only the government, that is the Bolshevik party, will have the authority to make the different rules and regulation. The secret police called the Cheka first, and later they were known as OCPU and NKVD, punished those who criticized the Bolshevik. So there was a secret police, they were known as Cheka first, and later these two police community, they used to punish the people who used to criticize about the Bolshevik party. Many young writers and artists rallied to the party because it stood for socialism and for change. So many young writers and artists, they revolted against the party because the party, that is the Bolshevik party, they were not giving the basic rights of the people in the Russia. So that's why they revolted against the, you can say, socialism. That means everybody is not treated equality, and they were not given rights, and they also wanted to change the society. After October 1917, these lead to the experiment in the arts and architecture. So after the October Revolution, finally the arts and architecture plays an important role in the Russia, but many became disillusioned because of the censorship of the party encourages. So though they you can say encourage the art and architecture in the Russia, but there as there was only one party, that is Bolshevik party, so many people, they were, you can say, blindfold, and they just simply follow the rules and regulation which were made by the Bolshevik party. So this was the condition in the Russia after the October Revolution. In this picture, in the page number 39, you can see May Day demonstration in Moscow in 1918. So people are demonstrating against the Bolshevik party, okay, in the month of May. That's why it is known as May Day. And here is one more picture in the page number 39, a soldier wearing the Soviet hat. That means the hat which they have selected, okay, for the armies and you can say different types of officers. So this is the kind of hat which was selected.